It's like, hey dude, you like a little boat with your motor?
Oh my God! So this is Dad's toy.
Yes.
Austin, every time I come here, which a few times a year, you have a different boat.
Yes, it does.
So you fix them up. Oh my God!
This one was built. Tell the story, Austin.
Yeah, I had this one built.
Oh, it's actually built in Sweden.
It's the only one in the U.S.
This is. So what's it called?
Nitra, 22 Nitra.
Nitra, not Nitra.
It came over in a container. Austin,
Is it fiberglass or is it Kevlar? Is it, yeah.
Austin completely rigged the boat himself. Everything.
Well, yeah, you've been doing that forever.
Yeah.
So it's got a sick jack plate on it. It doesn't look like, it looks like if you put it in the water, it's just gonna go like this.
When you see it in
with the
water,
motor.
it's like, hey dude, you like a little boat with your motor?
This thing's amazing.
It's ridiculous.
It looks like an IKEA in a boat. Like it's that Swedish, like,
Yeah.
amazing attention to detail, you know?
European look.
Yeah.
This one's from Canada.
This is? Well, that's closer to home.
Country. Step up on that, Jeremy, and look and get video that this is all the custom work in this thing is ridiculous. Tell them what it's got, all the stuff, Austin.
Wait, hold on. So did this boat come like this? You found the hull like this?
No, this one came like this.
Guy spent 2
Yeah.
years building it.
What year is this?
17.
Oh, so it's new. Because some of these, they could have been from the 80s and 90s. This is actually really big. This is actually quite a long, big boat.
Big boat.
Yeah, what is it, a 30-something?
28.
Oh, it's a 28. Oh.
Austin, pop the hatch.
Holy shit, this is all carbon fiber.
Wait, yeah. Wait, see it?
Up in Royal Palm?
That was an idea.
Look at the workmanship on this side of this thing.
Oh, this. I mean, it is like legit carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Like, not just like a little layer
Floor
of.
hatches are all carbon fiber. The wing plate.
So what does this thing weigh?
all
It can't
carbon
weigh
fiber.
anything.
4,100 pounds.
This is? With motors rigged?
Yeah.
No wonder it goes 100 mile an hour in a canal. Wow. In the video, I thought you were crazy, but this boat's actually quite big. I would go 100 mile an
This
hour
one
in
was
it.
94.
It's a real.
Yeah, but this was a little boat. This is going 94. It's like me going 94 in the old Bimini Bonefisher back there. This is actually boat like, okay, I could go.
Look back at the jacket system on this thing and the trim system. It's insanity.
All right, so this is obviously a new 300 Merc.
Yeah.
Or is this a Yamaha?
No, it's a Merc.
Is it? Yeah, so this is the new one.
$300 4-stroke.
And these are the originals. Okay, right, yeah. Holy shit. This thing's a beast. This thing's amazing. I mean, don't get me wrong, I get it,
This is a
but
whole other.
this is a whole nother thing. Yeah.
This built in the 29 with twin 400s goes 115.
With twin 400s? What is your conch? You saw the conch? What does that have on it? Twin
400s.
400s, yeah. And that thing must scoot too.
Twin 70.
Yeah. This thing's
This thing
unbelievable.
only weighs.
This Nardo gray color is like sick.
This thing only weighs like under 2,000 pounds.
Yeah. All this like this type of is super cool.
Nice boat.
How did you find them?
Online. It's all dirty right now too. I just
You
came back
can't.
from
You.
Swanee.
Oh, did you? Yeah.
I was there last weekend.
You must get the what the f is that? Yeah, everywhere you go with it.
Might be selling it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I can buy this. So I can
Do this?
used.
Yeah. Wow. This thing is unbelievable.
can do a lot with that. You can do everything.
Yeah.
On the river with that. I can run the river and the keys with that, no problem. But this is like.
Well, you can get into some waves, and it's
You can in that thing too. You'd be
it
surprised.
takes it, yeah.
That fucker rolls out. It's got a ballast tank in it, 50 gallons in the back.
Oh, does it really?
It fills up in 30 seconds.
And you can make sure that whoever skis behind you has no arm sockets left.
We're gonna be scraping the bugs off our teeth with this baby, Ben. What? That's too much boat.
This will be better for that.
Wow. Got a much. I still noticed that that's like is that a 25-inch motor?
20.
That's a 20.
All 20 inch.
Because it just looks that just the lower housing on that is so much
Because
bigger.
it's 4-stroke. That's the same as the Verada.
Oh, okay.
That Sportmaster is the same size. These are all
So these things cam when they're running. They sound pretty, like the old two-strokes. You know what I mean?
I think so.
This is yours. Yeah, silent. Yeah, but it's not supercharged.
Nope.
Yeah.
This is the problem, bro.
It spun the hub. Oh no, you literally broke the fucking prop. From just water.
Driving, yeah.
Not there's no hit. Yeah, right. It's
yeah.
clean. Yeah.
Must have been a flaw in the casting or something in it.
So Bobby Souls? Who do you have to go to do that?
No, I go to FJ, but I just got that back from getting work done today.
This prop's right here.
Doesn't work on my
Oh.
No, levers don't work.
Wow. Liberator boats. This is crazy that whatever. Yeah. I mean, it's like a crinkle finish. They like put it in as the paint's wet, probably.
Well, this boat came white, and the guy in Florida painted it. Back in Liberator, Randy, he's brought it down here and did all the paintwork with it.
Wow. And it's all under the clear, like it's like really
Painted
nice.
and cleared it over and all that.
Yeah.
This thing's whole ceramic fitted down.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah, they both are.
That's why they both pop like that.
Mine's dirty, like I said. It's covered in. I came
Yeah.
back from Swanee in the hurricane last weekend.
Oh. It is such a knife of a boat.
5.5, 5.2 foot wide.